What is going on, guys? Sorry for the raspiness. I'm been fighting a cold the last few days, but today is July 3rd. I got off work early, and I'm going to take advantage of it, and we're going to start working on this car. That's going to be a slow rebuild because money's tight, but I'm going to do what I can as I can. So today, my cousin is bringing over his welder, and we are going to start welding up the floorboards and get it ready for hopefully some new carpet. Once I get the new carpet and headliner, then I can reassemble the entire interior and get it back together. So if anybody out there has some black or gray carpet or headliner that they'd like to donate to my project, let me know. But I'm going to set the camera up while I pull out all the seats and stuff and get ready for him to arrive with the welder. I've gotten all the floors leveled, pushed back up as close to where they should be as possible. Next is just waiting for him to get here, and we'll start cleaning up these welds, not these welds, but we'll start cleaning up these rips to start welding up these cracks. Hopefully all goes smooth. The bad stuff's over there. We'll have to put some filler material in, but it'll be okay, I think, once we strengthen it and get some new material in there. So let the welding begin.
No, not really.
It's because of all that rust. Sweaty glove time.
Use that blanket to rest your arm on.
Okay. You mean to cover up my arm, or
Huh?
to cover my arm up?
No, to keep your arm from touching the metal. You can cover your arm if you want.
I didn't know what you were referring to.
Not unless that's plastic. Is that plastic on the...
That's rubber.
Oh.
It's old molding.
You have a phone charger? Or the plug or cube?
Camera died, so I had to go put it on the charger, but we're just about done. Meets minimum requirements. I mean, carpet's going to cover it. I'm still going to sand down the few little rust areas and hit it with some rust inhibiting primer, but just to tidy it up a little bit. This side was the bad side. Had to do add a lot of structural members in, strengthen the floor up, but submarine, and adding seat braces to the subframe connectors. Then we'll be done. Well, that's it for the first video in this new series. So, floor's sealed up. Now all I got to get's that carpet. I wasn't joking. If you have any and you don't want it, let me know. Or a headliner. So that way I can get the rest of the interior, which I already re-dyed and sanded and cleaned up, put back in, and at least the interior will be complete, and then we can move on to making it run. I got it to run on Ether, but pretty sure I need to go ahead and get a new computer, and I know I got to pull the transmission for a rebuild because it's full of water. So, but that'll all take place over time. So, thanks for watching.